Hi TikTok family, it's Anthony Fogg here today, and I want to talk about the idea of live and let live. We all have different beliefs, opinions, and lifestyles. It's important to remember that we all have the right to live our lives as we see fit, as long as we are not hurting anyone else. We should strive to create a world where everyone is free to be themselves and pursue their own happiness. It's not our place to judge or criticize others for their choices as long as they are not causing harm. Instead, let's focus on building connections and understanding with those who are different from us. Let's embrace diversity and celebrate the things that make us unique. Remember, we don't have to agree on everything, but we can respect each other's differences and find common ground. So let's practice live and let live in our own lives and encourage others to do the same. Let's create a world where everyone feels accepted and valued for who they are. Thanks for listening, and always remember to be kind and accepting towards others.